Windows 11 has just rolled out its final update of 2025, known as KB5072033, and it delivers smoother gameplay, fully updated dark mode dialogues, refined interface changes, and direct offline download links for the MSU installer. If you're running Windows 11 25H2 or 24H2, this update should already be available to you. So, the question is it worth installing? Let's go through everything step by step. This update is the December 2025 Patch Tuesday release, officially listed as 2025-12. Security Update. Build 26200.7462. Once it installs, your system will move to 26200.7462 for Windows 11 25H2, 26100.7462 for Windows 11 24H2. Since this is the year's last update and Microsoft's engineers go on holiday afterward, it typically means better stability and fewer problems. If Windows Update is slow or not responding, Microsoft has also released manual offline.msu installers via the update catalog. The file size is around 4.2 gigabytes, so confirm your Windows version before downloading. What's new in KB5072033? 1. Search UI finally matches the Start menu. Microsoft has unified the height and layout of the search panel with the Start menu, no more odd-size mismatches. Now both Start and Search look more consistent and polished. Short benefit, a cleaner, more uniform desktop appearance. 2. Expanded advanced settings for virtualization. Windows 11 now groups all virtualization-related components into a single page, including Windows Sandbox, Hypervisor Platform, Containers, Guarded Host. Short benefit, developers and power users can configure virtual environments without jumping through multiple menus. 3. File Explorer gets complete dark mode support. All dialog boxes in File Explorer now fully support dark mode, such as delete confirmations, access denied prompts, file transfer windows. Windows also adds new status colors: blue for active transfers, orange for paused, and red for failed. Recent fixes include white flicker when switching tabs, result; video preview thumbnails not loading, result; random toolbar appearance, result; missing open command icon, result. Short benefit, dark mode now looks unified and visually smooth. 4. Huge gaming stability improvements, especially for AMD. If you're using an AMD Radeon RX 970 XT or other Radeon GPUs, this update is important. Gamers report that KB5072033 fixes major crash issues in titles such as Battlefield 6, Call of Duty Black Ops 7, Arc Raiders. Errors like GPU hung and driver removed are greatly reduced, especially when using Adrenalin 2.5.11.1. Additional enhancements include reduced stuttering on high refresh or high resolution screens, brightness issues corrected, games incorrectly flagging GPUs as unsupported fixed, Explorer.exe freezing after notifications fixed. Short benefit, more stable gameplay and fewer random GPU problems. Known issues. A few minor visual glitches still remain: occasional white flash in File Explorer, password icon sometimes missing on the login screen. These do not affect system performance. Should you install KB5072033? If you're a gamer, especially with an AMD card, you should definitely install this update. If you enjoy consistent UI design and improved dark mode, you'll appreciate the changes immediately. Overall, KB5072033 is a steady, performance-focused update and a clean visual upgrade. To wrap up 2025, that completes your breakdown of Windows 11 KB5072033, the final update of the year. For more Windows tips, updates, and tech breakdowns, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.